Right, back on the plating. I don't know if you can see that. It's not perfect. Slightly rough and whatever. So what I'm going to try, I've bought some copper sulphate. Look at that lovely blue. I'm going to copper plate it because the nickel is so hard you can't do much with it. And hopefully I'll be able to polish the copper and get it nice and smooth. So let's have a go. Right, I've done the copper plating. It's gone on fine. So what I'm going to do now is clean that off, get it polished up and see if we can get rid of some of the imperfections. So I've copper plated it. You can see the camera in the reflection. Look at that. It's just come up very nice and smooth and whatever. So what I'm going to do now is put it back in the nickel and see how it works. I don't know. Right, I've re-nickeled it after the copper plating. It's a lot better. I've still got lots to learn about amps and whatever, and I need to aerate the sulphate in the tank. Stops any little pitting parts you make. I'll get there. Not bad.